Hi guys, welcome back to the part 2 of our day 5 here in Tokyo. So for today, we are still going shopping at Ginza. We are going shopping at KOMEHYO Ginza Branch. I'm so excited to be showing you all the pre-loved luxury stores for today. Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and guys, every new subscription, I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so second stop, we are here at Ginza. So we are going to check out luxury store. So here it is. I'm just going to show you. So hopefully we could also find pre-loved luxury bags that I would want to show everyone. Guys, we're in luck. They do have KOMEHYO here at Ginza. Holy wow. Just look at the window display. It looks really festive and looks really amazing. So guys, I've already asked permission to take video. So good thing they're very kind. So here, let us look first at the Chanel flap bag. So here are the prices. You know, I do love KOMEHYO. They have such amazing quality bags. So here are the prices. So you would see the rank of the bags at the tag. So rank A is really good. So those are the prices. Again guys, bring your passports if you're coming here. So you're going to get the tax-free prices. Just look at this sweet bag. So beautiful. And this one, oh my god guys. This iridescent Chanel, I think this is a double flap small, if I'm not mistaken, and the price is that one. And also this, super nice. So we have Chanel Chevron over here, super nice. Oh my god guys, this is my dream bag. What is the price of this one? Oh my god, this is my dream bag. So 1.7 for classic Chanel double flap in caviar leather with gold hardware. Oh my god, that's so beautiful guys. So we have here in lambskin, and then of course these beauties over here. They have now the seasonal pieces. So we have the cocoa top handle. Oh, that. Love the top handle guys. Actually yes, Chanel mini square, that is the price. Ooh, super nice guys. Honestly, I would also love to have a top handle mini rectangle. So this is the price over here. Super nice. Because for me, that would okay. So this is an iridescent Chanel mini rectangle with top handle. Super nice. So they have more Chanels over here. So they have the smaller Chanel bags over here. So those are the prices. 620. So it's more of like the wallet on chain. So this is the foam plush. So that is the price. Super cute. 618 tax free. So this one, the Chanel mini square, that is the price. And then this one. Okay. Then we have of course the wallet on chains over here. So many. So just there, over there. We have the Chanel monogram bags, as you can see. We have an Alma BB. So that is 227 tax free. We have more bags, more LV bags over here. So we have the sack pads. Guys, I love this vanity. Wow, by LV. It's 95. 270. Then of course the hearts. We have a double zip pochettes over here. So more SLGs. 350 for Speedy 20. Notice that they have the back fractional backpack, so this is the price. And here L'Oreal. Shane. The limited edition Chanel bags over here. Those are the prices. Super nice, guys. Look at this Fendi bag, guys. Sorry. Guys, always wonderful people at KOMEHYO. Highly recommend. Go there, guys. And the pieces that they have are so amazing. You could also get it in a much more affordable price. Unfortunately, the KOMEHYO here in Ginza, it's much more smaller compared to the KOMEHYO that we have just previously featured in Harajuku. Right in front of KOMEHYO, we have the building of Miu Miu. As you can see that we have Boucheron, we have Dunhill, and then here right beside KOMEHYO we have Tiffany & Co. So there, so that at least you would have an idea what the Ginza looks like. Again, here is the LV building that is under construction, so we do not know when they are going to finish the building. We had a quick stop at Chanel Beauty and I purchased something what I was really looking for. It's not available in the Philippines, and with the tax refund I got such an amazing deal. We'll show you soon. So this is the Loro Piana store. As you can see. Guys, are you familiar with the designer of the bag? So I'm not really familiar, but look. Oh, it's made in Japan. That's nice. So I'm assuming, no, I think this is not real croc leather. It's stamped, but look at the craftsmanship. It looks really amazing. Also this one, as you can see, we have top handle. Here we are at Celine. So look at this exotic Celine 16 bag. Super beautiful. And then we have this as well. Super nice. Here we are at YSL. So this is a smaller bag, and then of course they have this, the big one. Look at these by Moreau. Love the top handle. And they do have trunks. Just look at that, like the smaller Alma bag style. So here, let us just take a look at the bags here at Prada. So they have the nylon bag. So this is the newer style with the longer shoulder strap. So they have it in different colors, but definitely I would prefer the leather more compared to that one. Let us check out some Bottega Veneta bags here. Love this clutch over here. This is so nice, like the East-West version, a longer version. So this is the Gucci, I'm guessing the flagship store here in Ginza. So let us take a look at their window display. So I'm just crossing the streets. Hello guys! Here we have a very beautiful Gucci. Forgot the name of this bag, guys. Please comment down below what is the name of that bag. We have a leather bag. Guys, question, how do you feel about the replacement of the creative director of Gucci? That was fast, right? So I guess because of the sales, they're not doing really good, so they need to shake things up at Gucci. Wow. So let's take a closer look. Guys, are you noticing something about the buildings here? Are you noticing a yellow-orange building on Mitsuka Tiger, sandwiched between two larger buildings? So we have Bottega Veneta on the right, and then we have the Versace building on the left. How cute is this one, right? Guys, we are currently back here at Shibuya, and oh my god, it's Sunday and There are so many people. It's crazy here, guys. I'll show you. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. So many yen. Oh. This is Shibuya at night, guys. Just look how amazing and alive this intersection is. So you can go up at the Starbucks so you can view people crossing the Shibuya crossing. So this is the KOMEHYO, guys, at night. Wow. As you know, we have been here a couple of days ago and the service was excellent and they have such amazing pieces. So guys, we are here at GINZA. So another pillar of luxury goods store. This one, guys, look, it's so beautiful. It's only 50,000 yen. Tax free, and then we have this one for 330, the newer collection for 45. Then we have an Alma in the classic monogram canvas. Alright, okay, let's check this one out. 30,000 for that one. 250, 140 for this. Then we have a pouch at the back. So a necklace, so we have I forgot the name of this bag, backpack 220. Then we have a trunk bag at the back for 350. This is still beautiful. The condition of this one is 90,000 yen. Then we have a tote bag, on the go, another on the go for 220. We have keyballs here, 120. A Speedy, 120. Later, guys, I would want to check this one out because I love the color of that one. So we have some Chanel pieces over here. Chanel Dior, 350, 600. Oh, wow. So we have jumbo Chanel's over here. This is the price. Now 420. Another tote bag for 300. And then of course we have some pieces, SOGs and custom jewelries from Chanel. So those are the prices, guys. So we have pieces from Bottega. Another one. Okay, so we have Hermes SOGs over here, leather goods. Okay. Alright, so we have some pieces from Dior. 150. We have Dior book totes. Okay. Oh, okay, let's check out the Prada bags. Okay, the Prada bags is 200. This is 100. Here, guys, I'm sorry for the flickering lights, but we have a bag here from Margiela. Okay, so we have this one. We have seen this one in KOMEHYO, but this one is more expensive at 185. And then this monogram canvas pieces from Celine. Remember, guys, I was really eyeing that tote bag from Celine. So 100. Oh, surprisingly, this is more affordable. This is just 100 versus the smaller one at 140. Wow. So we have hats, Ferragamo. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Look, yen from Fendi. From Fendi. 70. Jill Sander. And here we have Balenciaga pieces. Oh wow. This is nice. This is nice. So we have from Gucci totes. This pink one, guys, is Dolce & Gabbana, and the price is actually good at 60,000 yen. This one I like. So we have YSL bag, 130. Ferragamo, ooh, Ferragamo at 30,000 yen. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, here's what I'm wearing. I haven't shown you. So I'm wearing a fur coat over here. And then of course, my Cinderella top black pants. My toiletry pouch 26. And of course, my Crying Again series. So they have SLGs over here. Sorry for the flickering lights, guys. Sorry for that, yeah. So this one is rank C, guys. The CA mentioned, and it's just, this is the price. And as you can see, so for the corner wear, okay, so we have that one. It doesn't have any padlock, but let me check the inside. As you can see, there are marks. So this one, it has some marks. It has some marks. The handle, there is like a hairline crack over here. I could feel it on this side, on the bottom. So this is the inside. So it's, yeah, it's really rank C. So there are marks already, but that is okay. I think with the price, you're still giving, getting good quality for your cans cloth over here. So here's the red one. So we have seen a mustard color and the red, guys, is so beautiful. However, the condition is the red, the mustard one, I think has a better condition compared to this. And I think what I'm actually afraid of this one, let me just see. I'm feeling a little bit, there's like a hairline crack at the handle. So I'm afraid that it may, not work out after a long while and the handle might be damaged. So what do you think? Kindly comment down below. But the color, guys, and the size of this one looks amazing. So they have ready to wear pieces as well. Love this one. LV. That's the price. Ooh. Look at the coats. So guys, right across KOMEHYO, there's another Pila vintage store. So the name is Kindle. Can you see? So there. So we went in the first floor, but you could go up until the 5th floor. There, did you enjoy our day 5 here in Tokyo? Hopefully you did. So I have shown you so many amazing places, so many beautiful bags as well. So hope you enjoyed today's episode. And if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a sushi emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. I would see you all soon on the day 6 of our Japan adventure. Please make sure you are stay tuned. I would see you all soon. Bye!